welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be a DIY video. This is my first time ever giving a thrifted furniture piece a refresh, and I really love the whole process of it, and I'm excited to do more of these. So my husband and I were on a walk with our little one, and we stumbled upon a garage sale, and we found this beautiful china cabinet that was in really good condition for only $50. So we quickly snagged it up, and I knew as soon as I saw it that I wanted to paint it a dark color, basically more because of the aesthetic of our home, and I'm just excited to show you guys the process. This is my first time ever repainting or refinishing a thrifted piece of furniture, so I definitely came across some challenges and I learned some things along the way. I'm really excited to show you guys the finished result, so let's get right into the makeover.
Alright, so step one is removing the drawer along with its hardware, so we can set the hardware aside and we can paint that separately. Alright, so next I'm using this degreaser and this microfiber wipe that I found at the Dollar Tree, and we're just going to give this cabinet a really nice wipe down. Alright, so once our cabinet is dried from cleaning it, I'm going to take this wood filler and a spatula and fill in all the pieces where the cabinet has received a little bit of wear and tear and some holes in it. Now for the paint, this is my first time ever using this product, but I found it through the blogger Jenna Sue Design. She used it on a couple of her pieces and I loved it. And I found this paint set from Amazon, and I will post a link down below for you guys. So for the more smaller detailed parts of the cabinet, I switched to a brush. So because time is not on my side now that I have a toddler, I wasn't able to give the cabinet a second coat the same day, hence the new clothes. But the next day I found some time and I was able to give the cabinet a second coat. And this paint color is so amazing that the cabinet didn't need any more than 2 coats. So next, now that the paint has fully dried, I am going in with one of my favorite wood stains, Early American, and I'm staining the inside shelves. Now in hindsight, watching this back, I should have taken the shelves out and did that to stain, but I didn't do that, so lesson learned. So I basically stained every foot of the inside that I could get to. So the top coat was probably the most challenging part of this entire process. I have never used this product before, so I watched a couple tutorials and then did the best that I could, but I stained this thing about 5 to 6 times. I had a hard time eliminating some of the streaks, but after at least 5 or 6 tries, I finally got it out. But I don't know if I'll use this product again. Perhaps I'll use something else in my next one. But if you guys have any recommendations, please let me know down below. So I wanted to decorate the inside of the cabinet to give you guys a full look of what it looks like in my living room. I absolutely love it. It is so beautiful, it has so much character, and it is the perfect size.
If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know if you like these kind of videos, so that's how I know to make more of these. Alright everyone, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed day. Mwah! God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!